Hey, what's up guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today I will talk about Chinese model kits that I recommended most and my personal favorite, all-time favorites that is in my arsenal. So, as you can see here, this is a Chinese model. No, Chinese, not the Chinese model, but Neo China mobile fighter from the G Gundam, and this is from Bandai, and of course this is made in Japan. So you're not you're not included here, although you're from Neo China. You're not a Chinese product. You're a Japanese product. So get lost. So there we go. I got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, I got here 7 Chinese model kits that I really love the most and like to recommend to you, my viewers. So I will go with the first one that I like to recommend is this one, the Kisha Nebula from Howling Star, and this is a very nice kit, a 1/100 scale model kit here. I really like the appearance of this. It looks like combination of Exia and some other sci-fi model kit that we can see in the market. So this is really a nice kit, and I don't know if it has an anime or video game equivalent in China, but all I know is this kit is really cool. So be sure to include this in your collection. So Howling Star Kisha Nebula. Second is, I like the SNAA Hunting Falcon. This is a very rare nowadays, this kind of color, because there's another variant of this, the white and blue, I think, but I still like the original. So this is this kit is one of the early releases that I got, and still it's a very sturdy kit inside my shelf. This is somehow a legendary kit that I got from SNAA, since SNAA now have so many lines of big model kits with big backpacks and big armaments, but for me this is still the best SNAA that was ever produced. So it looks like to me a dreadnought Gundam with combination of the death sight, so the death sight beam here, and the face looks like from the Blitz Gundam, if I'm sure. It looks like the Blitz Gundam with some vibes of the color vibes of the Gundam Heavy Arms Supernova. So there. It has dragoons. The dragoons can emit with some beams on that, but I lost the beams already, so I got so many spare parts that was lost during my house renovation. So there we go, we got this Hunting Falcon from SNAA. This is very recommended, so if you got the chance to get this, buy this version. Okay. Next is, I got my Trailblazer. So this Trailblazer here, for me, is still one of the best in-era model kits that I got. This is really nice, and I like the appearance, and for me the plastic quality of this is really cool, really sturdy, really hard, and not brittle. No fitting issues with this kit. At first I was very skeptical when more Chinese products appeared in the late 2022 to 2023. So this is a 2023 release, which I just risked buying, but it turns out that this is very nice kit, and I encountered no issues upon building this. So very nice kit to include in your collection. Very sturdy, very cheap. I bought it around 1,300 before. I just don't know how much this model kit worth nowadays. So be sure to get your Trailblazer in from an era model kit if you got the chance to. And next, I got the Mandela. Yeah, the Mandela model kit here. I just also got the Licorice, but I still prefer the appearance or look of the Mandela because I like these kind of, the color looks like a Trans Am mode, to be honest. It seems like a Trans Am mode to me, the color scheme. And this model got gimmicks of missile launching effect, but I don't like to display it in that manner. Anyway, the build quality and the plastic quality of Mandela from, I forgot the company, but anyway, Caesar Works. Yeah, the Caesar Works. It's really superb. The plastic quality is good. No fitting issues at all. No brittle parts. Everything is nice. And it's, for me, it's in par with other good Chinese model kits in the market nowadays. So I hope they do more kits on the line. The Caesar Works make more kits just like this. Okay, so next is I got here the Kang Toys line, which is this one. So this is the Kang Toys Yandandy, and this is the non-metal frame version. So this is the plastic version, pure plastic version. Honestly, I don't like kits that have metal frames. Just my preference. Although I'm not telling you that don't buy this. Of course, you have the right to buy this. But for me, I just prefer pure plastic model kit. I don't like having kits with metal frame included in them because I just observed that those with metal frames tend to disintegrate with the plastic connection, and in the long run will make the plastic brittle. The attachment with metal and plastic will turn to be brittle in the long run. So just my observation and in my study. So if you like plastic model kits, be sure to stick with the plastic, pure plastic model kit form. Okay, so there we got here the Yandandy. I really like the color scheme of this kit. The pinkish, actually here in the video it looks like red, but in actual form this is pink. So the pinkish purple and the gold with the black color scheme really complement to each other, and it's very very nice to see in your shelf side by side with your Gundam model kits. This is really really nice model. Okay, so next that I can recommend is the Genesis. So this is the Genesis standard form, not the deluxe form. So as I told you, I don't like metal frame. So this doesn't have any metal frames in that. And this is one of the best and the pioneer Chinese model kits that I got from, I forgot the company. I think this is still in Era. Yeah, this is still in Era. So in Era model kit, before, as I said, I was very skeptical about the Chinese model, but it turns out that Chinese models, Xi Jinping's models really improved nowadays, and the plastic became so nice, no fitting issues compared with the garbage quality in the previous releases and companies that produces bootleg model kits. But this one, of course, is not bootleg, by the way. Chinese are really really improving. So this is very one of the heavy kits that I have, even though it looks small, this has a jam pack of parts that, yeah, this is still heavy. To be honest, it's heavier than the Yandy standard version without the metal frame. This is light, actually. This one is heavy. And finally, the latest from 2026, or I think this is a release for 2025, Disruptilia from DLK Hobby. Sorry, I don't have the hands yet. I'm still ordering the hands from Dalandical Market. But yeah, this is. I said in my review before that this is the best, one of the best model kits in the first quarter of 2026 because this is really nice. This kit make you feel like you're building a perfect grade model kit or perfect grade Gundam model kit in a 1/100 scale form. 1/100 scale or at least 20 centimeters in height model kit. So this is really nice. I am very happy to build the inner core, then the second frame, then the armor part. So there's a first frame, second frame, and the armor parts. I really had a good time building those pieces, and actually I built it during my birthday. So my birthday, this has a special part in my 37th birthday. So this kit is really nice. I like to recommend this to you if you like to have an experience of perfect grade build but in a 1/100 scale form. This is a must model kit to buy. So thank you so much for watching this recommendation of best ever Chinese model kits from my arsenal. This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying good night, God bless, take care.